In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an instant Google Meet. If you need to start a video meeting right away without scheduling anything in advance, Google Meet makes the process very simple. An instant meeting is useful when you want to quickly connect with coworkers, classmates, friends, or anyone else in real time. Instead of setting up a calendar event or choosing a future time, you can launch the meeting immediately and begin inviting people as soon as it opens. To get started, open Google Meet on your device and make sure you're on the main Meet page. Once you're there, look for the option labeled New Meeting. This is the button that gives you different ways to create a meeting, including starting one right now. Go ahead and click on New Meeting. After clicking it, a small menu will appear with available meeting options. From there, choose the option to start an instant meeting. This tells Google Meet that you want to open a live meeting room immediately without any extra setup. Once you select it, Google Meet will begin loading your new meeting space. Next, click Start on the instant meeting screen. This final step launches the meeting and takes you directly into the call. In just a few moments, your meeting room will be active and ready to use. Depending on your device settings, Google Meet may also ask for permission to use your microphone and camera. If that happens, allow access so that other participants can see and hear you clearly during the meeting. Once the instant meeting starts, you can copy the meeting link and share it with the people you want to join. This is especially helpful if you're creating a meeting on short notice. Before inviting others in, it's also a good idea to quickly check your camera, microphone, and background so everything looks and sounds professional. And that's all it takes to create an instant Google Meet. The process is fast, convenient, and perfect for situations where you need to start talking right away. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to open a meeting in seconds and get connected without any unnecessary delays.